1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. The Biarritz trim package was only offered on the 1978 model year. It came with the color key wheel covers, two-tone paint, pinstriping along the side, the overstuffed pillow top seats, half vinyl roof, and this one is extra special and rare because it comes with the sunroof. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. Paint is in overall great shape. In my opinion, on the driver quality scale, still solid 8.5. Just minor blemishes and imperfections. But she's in excellent condition. Top is in excellent condition. She is front wheel drive. She got the 7-liter 425 cubic inch Cadillac V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power steering, AC. She does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals and your high beams. As y'all can see, the paint is in fairly great shape. She'll be a nice driver. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she very solid. Deck lid is in great shape. Trunk nice and clean. And she does have the assisted latching system, so when you close the trunk, it latches down by itself. It's pretty awesome. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She has power windows, power locks. Seats has no rips, tears, or stains. I done sat in a lot of classic guys. These are by far the comfortablest seats I done sat in. She reads a little over 50,000, guys. Lower dash. Upper dash. Back seats are in excellent condition. Looks like nobody never rode back here, guys. Package tray nice and clean. Headliner in excellent condition. She has power seats. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. AC. Looks like hydro boost brakes. Power steering. All the creature comforts, guys. Let's start her up. Fire right up. She's running good, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out, guys. She's absolutely beautiful and very unique. Y'all have a good one.